Well, about 1 in 3 children in the United States are either overweight or obese, and overweight kids are more likely to become overweight adults, which is why some Oklahoma groups are working together to help Oklahoma's youth eat better and become more active. Now, our Courtney DeHoff has been looking at the program and joins us now.
Well, Rob, some experts believe that if obesity continues to increase at the rate it's going, our children could be the first in American history to live shorter lives than their parents. Not only are overweight children more vulnerable to the early onset of type 2 diabetes, obese young people can also develop asthma and even heart disease. And while the complications to childhood obesity are many, the solution is fairly simple. Get up and get moving. Well, kids in Edmond are getting their game on, moving more and watching less. Oklahoma Action for Healthy Kids brings the Ultimate Wellness Challenge to Edmond Public Schools. 5th and 6th graders are being challenged to do the unthinkable, step out of virtual world and into one of active fun and health. Judy Duncan is the director of the Strong and Healthy Oklahoma Division at the Oklahoma State Department of Health.
We are trying to emphasize the importance of reducing screen time for children and families. This is the National Turn Off TV Week, and we have renamed it Move More, Watch Less. It's an activity that we're hosting annually.
The non-competitive Wellness Challenge incorporates 23 challenge course stations, a healthy meal, and nutrition education. Former OU football player Rocky Calmus knows how important it is for parents and children to get involved in getting healthy.
You don't have to be in a football sport or basketball or baseball or soccer or to be active and to be healthy, and they can just go out here and do their own game and their own activities, and just kind of ingrain that and instill that into their little minds.
Dairy Max, a sponsor for the event, is encouraging all Oklahoma schools and communities to utilize the program. Susan Allen is the program coordinator for Dairy Max.
Even though this is only for Edmond schools today, it is to highlight and make aware the Move More, Watch Less campaign, and all schools in the state can get on our website and download some resources so that the whole state can move more and watch less.
Showing Oklahoma's kids that fun can be had outside of the virtual world. Unfortunately, these young people remain in the minority. 92% of elementary schools do not have daily physical education classes year-round, and only 1/3 of high school students take some type of daily PE class.
So, Courtney, how does junk food, how does that play into all of this?
Rob, vending machines are extremely popular in high schools. In fact, less than 20% of high school seniors admitted to eating fruits and vegetables at least 5 times a day.
Well, certainly some serious stuff. Thank you, Courtney.